I'm Jessica Ettinger.
And I'm John Tucker. Top stories.
Getting paid to talk is not as simple as it sounds.
It's all part of the VoiceStream wireless plan.
Whether voicing an advertisement,
product excitement is also
anchoring a TV newscast,
Kiss 95.7 kind of.
or hosting a radio show, announcers call on an array of skills. For example, you need acting talent to record voiceovers in films and commercials, because though you're not seen on camera, you're still playing a role. Disc jockeys are entertainers who play scheduled music and commercials between jokes, interviews, and topical information. While not actors, DJs are often high-energy performers. Newscasters need to be able to read with clarity and authority. As they often write their own copy, a background in journalism or writing is often required. Technical know-how and computer skills are usually needed to run a control board or make recordings. A pleasant voice and good diction can get you started, but it can be a long road to making a living as a professional announcer. Since much of the work is done live, the ability to think on your feet is very important. A college degree is not a requirement for most announcing positions, but colleges or technical schools with in-house TV or radio stations provide an excellent opportunity to create the all-important demo tape. As the saying goes for on-air jobs, your tape is your resume. With the ongoing consolidation of media companies, the field is more competitive than ever. Announcers usually start out in small markets for very low pay on irregular schedules. At some small operations, they're required to sell advertising time for their programs as well. But as their skills improve, they can advance to better paying jobs in larger markets.